Hey everybody, Michael the Tutor 16 here. Today I'm going to be doing tutorial number 4 in Microsoft Excel. And the topics for discussion in this tutorial will be that I'm going to show you how to use the following Microsoft Excel functions. We're going to be looking at the average, count numbers, max, and min functions. The advantages of using these will be that if you're working with a large group of numbers, the functions listed above will help you obtain your answers quickly. And this will also decrease the likelihood of a mathematical error while you're calculating your answers. So let's go into Microsoft Excel, and I'm going to show you how to use these functions. As you can see, I've gone into Microsoft Excel, and today I'm going to show you how to use your average, count numbers, max, and min functions. In tutorial number 3, I showed you how to use the Autosum function, which helps you when you were trying to add large groups of numbers. Your Autosum function is located in your Home tab of your ribbon toolbar under the Editing portion of Excel. And next to Autosum, you'll see a drop-down arrow. And if you click on it, you'll see the functions that we're going to be discussing in this tutorial. The first one that I'm going to discuss will be the average. What I want to do is I want to take an average of all of these numbers here in column B. The average will add up all of these numbers and get a total and then divide by how many numbers that are in the column itself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my cursor where I want the answer to go. I'm going to go back up and click on the drop down arrow and select average. Next, it's going to prompt me to set my data range. So I'm going to highlight all of the numbers that I want it to average. And once this is done, I can go back and click on average again. And you'll see that it put the answer of 113 in cell G9. The next function that I want to discuss will be the count numbers. The count numbers function is a simple function because all it's going to do is give you a total of how many numbers that are in your data range. Right now we can just look at it and tell that the answer is going to be 6. But if your spreadsheet was large and you had a large data range, it would be very time consuming to do any of these functions manually. So I'm going to put my cursor where I want the answer to go. I'm going to go back, click on the drop down and select count numbers. Again, it's going to prompt me to set my data range. So I'm going to highlight all of the numbers in column B and go back up and click on count numbers again. And you can see that the answer is going to be 6. The next function is your max function. It's going to go through and it's going to look at all of the numbers that are in column B and pick out the maximum or the largest number within the data range. We'll know that the answer is going to be 350. But again, depending on your data size, you might not want to do this manually. You'll want to let Excel do the work for you. So again, put your cursor where you want your answer to go back up, click on the drop down and select max, set your data range again, and once your data range is set, go back and click on max again, and you'll see that the answer will be 350. The last one is the min function, and this one is just the opposite of the max. It's going to find the minimum number or the smallest number in the data range. And we know that the answer is going to be 20, but with your cursor where you want your answer to go up and select your min function, set your data range, and then go back up and select min again, and you'll see that the answer is going to be 20. So this is how you use your average, count numbers, max, and min functions within Microsoft Excel. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the subscription button located at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. If you have any questions or comments, please send them to me, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. I hope you have a great day, and thank you for watching.